Hi, and welcome to episode number 636 with whatsforchow.com. With the festive season upon us, today I am going to show you 6 fantastic gifting ideas. Not only are they sure winners, but they are thoughtful and inspired. These 6 kits are available from Brewcraft, and their delivery service is excellent. You are sure to receive your orders within a couple of days. Please check out their link in the description below. Here they are, in no specific order of preference. First up is the Icelandic Skyr. Skyr is a cultured milk product similar to Greek yogurt, but milder in flavour. This kit will make up to 7.5 kilograms of Icelandic Skyr for everyone to enjoy. Next on the list is the authentic Kombucha Kit. Kombucha is a fermented tea, slightly alcoholic, slightly effervescent, and lightly sweetened. It is made by fermenting green or black tea using a bacteria and yeast combination. Fruit and spices can be added to make endless variations. This kit will yield an endless supply as the SCOBY culture can be reused over and over again. The Chocolate Kit puts you in control of making the finest chocolate in the world. The kit will make 8 bars of premium chocolate. The Vegan Cheese Kit is absolutely amazing. You can make up to 3.6 kilograms of vegan mozzarella, halloumi, cream cheese, mascarpone, ricotta or feta. It is quick and easy and absolutely delicious. Nut milk has been the rage for some time. This kit will enable you to make endless quantities of delicious nut milk at home. Kefir is a thin drinking yogurt made from milk cultured with specific mesophilic symbiotic culture found in kefir grain. It is consumed in the same manner as drinking yogurt and can be used in sauces and cooking. This kit would give you 6 liters of kefir. Let's take a look inside each box. First, the Icelandic Skyr. On opening the box, you will find the full instruction booklet with everything laid out step by step, with beautiful full-color photos. All the ingredients are packed inside the culture jar. This includes the culture powder, a good quality dairy thermometer, reusable cheesecloth, and 10 rennet tablets. As mentioned previously, the kit will yield 7.5 kilograms of Icelandic Skyr. Onto the Kombucha Kit. You'll once again find the full instruction booklet in step-by-step format with full color pics. Inside the culturing jar you will find the SCOBY culture, a length of reusable cheesecloth, and a self-adhesive thermometer. This kit will make an endless supply of kombucha as the SCOBY is reused over and over again. Moving on to the Kefir Kit, you will find the kefir culture in powder sachets, a length of cheesecloth, and a stainless steel stirring ball, and the instruction booklets. The first thing out of the Vegan Cheese Kit is the instruction booklet, followed by a sachet of nutritional yeast flakes, another of fine tapioca starch, another of citric acid, another of artisan salt, and yet another of agar powder. There is a dairy thermometer included too. The chocolate kit includes the instruction booklet, a sachet of raw organic cacao butter, raw organic cacao powder, and organic coconut sugar. A nifty touch is a set of labels and wrappers for the chocolate bars. Last but not least is a good quality silicone mold. The Nut Mylk Kit includes everything you need to make nut milk, with the exception of the nuts. This includes a large mason jar for soaking the nuts, a large bottle for storing the nut milk, and a large adjustable straining bag for draining and straining the milk. It is accompanied by a full-color step-by-step booklet. In the next 6 episodes, I will demonstrate each kit, exactly how they work, and we will get to taste the products they produce. Please check out the links below to see these products at Brewcraft. Thanks for joining us today. Please like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you again real soon.